it okay to have sex during pregnancy? The general answer to this is yes, but you've seen my medical disclaimer. Your doctor knows you best. There are certain complications that make it not okay, and I'm gonna list those out. One of those is placenta previa. So if you've been told that you have a placenta previa, ask your provider, meaning your doctor or your midwife, is it okay for you to have sex? Now, something you need to know when it comes to having sex, and this is sort of like a buzzword and medical people say it, and you may not really know what it means, that is pelvic rest. If you have been told in your pregnancy that you are on pelvic rest, that's not bed rest, that literally means nothing inside of you, okay? That like, we're not having sex, we're not doing anything, we're leaving the place alone down there, to give it a little rest because you're at risk for preterm labor, or you have something called cervical insufficiency, which is a fancy term for saying that you have premature dilation of the cervix, meaning the cervix is at risk for dilating and therefore letting your baby out prematurely. And we wanna keep your baby in until at least 37 weeks. Fingers crossed, all right? So if you've been told that you are on pelvic rest, or you're in preterm labor, or you have placenta previa, going back to that one, that just means your placenta is covering the bottom part of your cervix, all right? This is a non-pregnant uterus. I need to get me a pregnant uterus to show you, which I will do, and we can keep talking about it. But basically, inside of here is where the baby grows. And then you have your cervix right here, that's plug keeping baby inside. And so if the placenta, which is blood flow to your baby and your baby's lifeline, is at the bottom part of your cervix, you can imagine if there's trauma or movement there, then that can potentially cause vaginal bleeding and cause the placenta to unstick from itself, cause serious complications, all right? And so if you have a placenta previa, talk to your doctor. Is it safe for me to have sex? In general, my recommendation is no sex if you have placenta previa. One of the major questions I get asked, whether that be from a partner or whether that be from the pregnant person, is